Mastering time expressions in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're going to be exploring an essential aspect of discussing daily routines and habits, using time expressions. Understanding and correctly using these expressions is vital, as it adds clarity and context to your sentences, making your conversations more fluent and natural. So, let's dive right in. Time expressions are words or phrases used to indicate the time when an action happens, such as, in the morning, on Sunday, at night, and so on. Using these expressions allows us to specifically pinpoint when an event occurred or will occur, giving your listener a clearer picture of your daily routine or habit. Now, let's look at some common time expressions used to describe routines and habits that happen on a daily basis. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Remember, we use in with morning, afternoon, and evening, but at with night. If you want to describe habits that occur on specific days of the week, use the following expressions. On Monday, or any other day of the week. On weekdays. On weekends. Notice that we always use on with specific days or parts of the week. The word every is used to express a habit or routine that is repeated. For example, every day, every week, every month, every year. This is a great way to emphasize the regularity of a habit or routine. To give even more specific information about when a routine or habit occurs, you can use at 7 o'clock, or any specific time, before, after work or school, during lunch, or any specific event. By using these, you're helping the listener understand exactly when something happens in your day or week. That's a wrap on time expressions. Remember, these phrases are fundamental when we're describing our routines and habits. They provide the necessary context to our sentences, helping us express our ideas clearly and concisely. Practice these time expressions as much as possible, and you'll soon find your English conversations becoming more fluent and natural. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll practice using these expressions in full sentences. Until then, happy learning!